Feature stores they're part of this like broader concept called MLOps, which you mentioned before, that's all about kind of applying like a DevOps style mindset to getting machine learning applications into production. Feature stores aim to solve kind of one piece of that pipeline, and that's managing feature definitions and feature data. So you could kind of break down into a couple different components what a feature store is. I would say the primary thing is that it acts as a source of truth for your feature definitions within your organization or your team, whoever's like working on your model. Basically, the idea is that you just have a single place where you define what a feature is, instead of having multiple different copies, potentially of the same feature definition, or just having a bunch of different systems where all of your features are all spread all over the place. In our case, we have data scientists and data engineers define those features generally as a SQL query, which is kind of a tool that those types of roles are typically familiar with. And the idea is that, they can do it in one place and not have to prototype it using SQL and then later hand it over to another team that builds a production version of that feature using Java or Go or something like that, and then have those things get out of sync. The first aspect is just having a single place where the feature is defined.
I will pause you just here to go one question deeper.